Greetings everyone, I am Yatharth Dahuja from Salwan Public School, Rajendra Nagar. I am here to present a poem on the theme India at Crossroads. The title of my poem is What We Know Not. Through this poem, I wish to bring forward the rising social, political and cultural dilemmas that India faces today. By virtue of this poem, I have tried to highlight the crossroads that we are at. Where do we stand today? Why did we reach this state? And how? Where do we go from here? And what now? Inability to make choices, degrees of confusion, opportunities that we know not what to make of. Stake to the ground, we find ourselves at the crossroads. But when these pins are drawn, our chains lifted, we will soar the skies above. The path here is crooked. So many obstructions. The paths lead nowhere. How do we ever get around? India, a hymn of glory, now at crossroads. We've followed the West and traditions laid to worst and waste, rendered inaccessible. Oh, what we knew not is our paths always been impeccable. Secured we have a democratic routine, but the democratic rights we challenge. Uplift the poor we can, yet we turn our backs when they need. But we shall fight, we shall avenge. Tradition has crumpled the pillars, religion has torn its walls, we are left in the debris of democracy leading to tyranny, in a system so cold and leadership so uncanny. We went from traction to full traction in a fraction that of the many things we could do, maybe worshipping cows made the most sense. Naive we were, trading our land for cents. Past possibilities forever lost. We mourn, failing to have prepared for the grind. A loss only now beginning to plague our mind. Law and order followed not, we find our women unsafe. Education lacks current needs, political system chafed. Should the average Indian care? We know not what's right or what's fair. But India shall emerge. Find a path just right, for it is superior, was and forever will be. It's a rainbow that exudes serenity. In my land, I believe. To my land, I hail. Thank you.